Earn PayPal money listening to music. So if you got one of these, most definitely this is the video for you. So if you love music, you can make PayPal money by listening to music. Welcome everybody. My name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, and just ways how you can get better through the online space. This is your first time to my channel. Welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And if you comment free PayPal money, of course, I said in previous video that I'm going to be giving away some money through PayPal. So make sure you have a PayPal account for you to win. And what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to share with you how you can make PayPal money through listening to music. So if you do have a headphone or you got a smartphone, you got a computer, this is going to be a great video. So I'm going to show you ways how you can actually do it. If you don't have a PayPal account, sign up for one. It is free and you can get paid just for listening to music. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen right now so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So the first website is called Playlist Push. So Playlist Push, you can get paid through PayPal by listening to music. So all you have to do is you can click on where it says I own playlists or I release music, and just to see how everything works. So how this works, people who want to release music, they would come on here and you would give your opinion of how everything works. So if you scroll through here, you can definitely see this guy over here is jamming. He's finding out what's hot, what is not. And you can get your opinion. I mean, you could give your opinion on the type of music. So if you want to, right, how to make money on your playlist, you can click on here where it says how to make money, monetize and grow your playlist. So this is if someone wants to put up their music on here, get paid, and you can put music up there and you could get up to $12 per song. So of course you're not going to get super rich from this, but it can get you some PayPal money. So they have weekly payments, so you can request a payment at any time, and they pay every Friday via PayPal. So you can get weekly payouts just by doing this. So get paid to review songs. As you can see right here, we pay you to listen, review songs, and if you like it, we ask you to consider adding it to one of your playlists. So that is super cool. You could click on here, you could sign up. Once you click on this to sign up, then you have to ensure that you read the requirements before you sign up. Always do that, and always read the terms of use, right? And then you sign up using Spotify. If you already have an account, boom, you just log in right away, and then you can start getting paid through PayPal just for listening to music. So this one will pay you more money than the other one, which is called Slice the Pie. With Slice the Pie, this one here, you have to put in a lot of different reviews and opinions in order for you to get more money. This one pays a little bit more money. As you can see, you can get paid up to $12. This one here, you have to put in a little bit of work, but of course, there's two websites that you can flip-flop, and you can get paid just by reviewing music. So all you got to do is just come down here, click on where it says sign up now, and then once you sign up, create an account. Always terms and condition, privacy policy, all of that. Once you click to join, then you can get paid for survey opportunities as well. They can do that. And once you have your PayPal account, then they could get you started right away. So you earn cash for every review you leave. So you listen to the music, you leave a review, give feedback, also, talk about like record labels, artists, all the type of stuff. So this one, as I said, it's not going to get you like super duper rich, and it's not going to give you a lot of money. than this one. This one right here won't get you rich either, but at least you're making $12. So you have these two sites that you can go on. Slice the Pie, and of course, Playlist Push. And don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. If you're looking for ways how you can make way more money, $200 to $300 coming in consistently, check out the link in the description for you to learn more about that. Thank you so much for watching this. My name is Andre. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.